Ethan, are you reading a book? Are you reading a book, buddy? Got another book? Where are you going, on your head? Good job, buddy. Here, you want to sit up and read your book? Here. Oopsie. Mommy knocked over the camera. Here. You want to read a book? Let's see. The cow says moo. Good job. You opened the book. You opened the book. Good job. Quack, quack. The duck says quack, quack. Oh, good job. Buck, 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 buck. That's a chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Is it delicious? You like chicken? Huh? Yeah, he's so happy. Look under here. There's a rabbit. I don't know what the rabbit says, but okay. Oink, oink, oink. Pull his tail. Hi. Delicious rabbit too. Yeah. Hi, buddy. And this is his room with all his toys everywhere. Yeah, he's having a good time. You're having a good time with your book, huh? Ethan. Ethan. Hey. Ethan. You want this book too? Here. Ethan. Woo! I have no idea what you're doing. Bless you. Bless you. Come here. Come here, Kita. Hi. Hello, chum. Look. Look, here's Kita. There's Kita. Hi, Kita. Hi, kitty. Hi.